Hi, buddy. I am Mike Hayes. I'm the owner of Mike Hayes and Media Associates and the creator of the New Economy Chamber of Commerce, which you're looking at. Now, as you can see, the New Economy Chamber of Commerce is really for anyone who's responsible for creating their own income. This is a recent Chamber of Commerce mega mixer. Now, this is made up of a number of chambers of commerce. Now, this is not the mixer that you'll be coming to because this is only a one chamber mixer. The bigger ones come from a collaboration of mixers. That's what we teach and coach. We have huge audiences. My national radio show has an audience of 5 million. We can reach out to 50,000 Chamber of Commerce members. So right here on the New Economy Chamber, you can see our calendar of events. And so I want to give you a quick tour of it right here, what I call a teleprompter video, so you can read right along with me. Because if you're an independent professional who's responsible, for your own income, that of your family, such as, an insurance agent, real estate agent, a financial planner, expert consultant, small business owner, author, expert, like, tens of millions of Americans in the new digital freelancer economy, we are basically essentially incomepreneurs because for us, necessity is the mother of our income, right? It's what we do every day. So I look forward to our face-to-face meeting at the mixer coming up. But the goal for most of us incomepreneurs and business owners, pros, is to meet new customers, establish enough rapport, like at a mixer, to get a relationship to move forward into a meaningful one-to-one conversation. So, you can't really do business at a huge gathering like this. You want to be on the phone or on a Zoom video like this one, just get together one-to-one. But what we're all about is making media and marketing work again the way it used to help you to get new clients, because the new economy has really disrupted everything. Everything has changed for us incomepreneurs, and that's what we're here for. So the way that we solve the problems of getting new clients in this new digital economy, and why we promote local Chamber of Commerce networking is so important. And that's really the purpose of the existence of the New Economy Chamber, is to bring about the blend of the fusion of in-person networking with digital networking, all to build those important commitments, and helping you with our own one-to-one meetings with you so we can listen to you personally, find out what it is that you need to help you to get new clients and customers, and most importantly, to help you to get them in the way that you want to get them. Do you want to be an author, speaker, an expert? Do you hate selling? Whatever it is, everybody's different, and we can't know about you unless you tell us, right? So that's why we offer a one-to-one meeting, free, no cost, just so I can be a good listener. But really accomplishing getting new clients in the way that you want to get them is the way to establish the happy income that you want for a lifetime. That depends on you, whether you want done-for-you solutions or do-it-yourself solutions. The New Economy Chamber is like a superstore of new media marketing options. That's why I say we offer our own free one-to-one so we can listen to you. And we've got a range of plans that it could include free, premium to pro options, because we don't want to hold anybody back, but ones that you really, really should at least know about. Why? So you can make an educated decision for you about the best way to go to get new clients and customers. So call me for a free, no pressure chat about your situation. Because I promise, if I can't help you personally, I'll refer you to someplace where you can find the help that you need. Schedule a free call with me, a strategy session at the link right below this video. Again, I am Mike Hayes, founder of the New Economy Chamber, neweconomychamber.com. You can email me, Mike at Big Ideas Express, 415-781-9296. Now, if you are struggling to get new clients, just send me an email. I'll send you a free Chamber Mixer sales tracker software free that you can use to make media work again with your local networking. It's the one we use in our boot camps. I'll send it to you free. But please, you must do it right now. If I forget, it's fresh in my mind right now. If you send me an email, I'll send it to you right away. Otherwise, I look forward to meeting you face-to-face at the mixer.